Let's jump right into the fascinating world of methods and events. These are the backbone of interactivity in applications. When we talk about methods, we're referring to the functions that define what an object can do. For instance, if you have a button in your app, the method associated with it might be something like onClick. This is where the magic happens. When a user clicks that button, the method is triggered, executing whatever action you've programmed it to perform. Now let's consider events. Events are the signals that something has occurred in your application. They can be user-driven, like a mouse click or a key press, or system-driven, like a timer expiring. Understanding how to listen for these events and respond appropriately is crucial. For example, when a user hovers over an image, you might want to display additional information. This is where event listeners come into play, allowing your application to react dynamically to user interactions. Moving on to intrinsic controls, these are the built-in components provided by your development environment. Think of them as the building blocks of your user interface. You have buttons, sliders, checkboxes, and more. Each of these controls comes with its own set of properties and methods. For instance, a slider can be used to adjust volume or brightness, and it has methods to get or set its value. Familiarizing yourself with these intrinsic controls will save you time and effort, as they are designed to work seamlessly within your applications. Next, let's explore how to work with text, choices, and special purpose controls. Text inputs are fundamental for gathering user information. Whether it's a simple text box for a name or a multi-line text area for comments, knowing how to handle text input effectively is key. You'll want to validate this input to ensure it meets your criteria, like checking for empty fields or enforcing character limits. Choices, on the other hand, allow users to make selections. This could be through radio buttons, checkboxes, or drop-down menus. Each of these has its own use case. Radio buttons are great for single selections, while checkboxes allow for multiple selections. Drop-downs can save space and present options easily. Understanding when to use each type can greatly enhance user experience. Lastly, let's touch on special purpose controls. These are the unique components that serve specific functions, like date pickers or color pickers. They may not be used as frequently as the standard controls, but they can add significant value to your application. For instance, a date picker can simplify the process of selecting dates, reducing errors, and improving user satisfaction. By mastering these interactive elements, methods, events, intrinsic controls, text, choices, and special purpose controls, you'll not only enhance your applications, but also boost your confidence in developing an engaging user experiences. Remember, the goal is to create an intuitive interface that responds to user actions seamlessly. So dive in, experiment, and enjoy the process of bringing your applications to life.